So this feature of Article Fiesta is the advanced article builder. So whilst the simple article builder just takes a keyword and it generates everything for you, this allows you much more flexibility in what it's ultimately going to create. So let's assume I'm going to do an article about driveway painting. I then click set. I've got the choice if I want royalty-free images or AI generated images. Royalty-free is good in that it uses only sources that you're not going to get sued for. Don't just take images off Google. You can get a lot of trouble for that. AI images, they're all made for you. They're entirely unique. So it's brilliant. You can't go wrong with that. You might even get some Google image search hits from that. This has come up with some potential titles for me. All of these are pretty decent. You'll notice that these all go green for the length of the title as well as the pixel width. That's important to not be too big. So I'm going to go with this because I think this matches what I want to write. I could, of course, edit in this box here and change it to whatever I want, but I'm quite happy with that title. I like it. I've now got the option to adjust what headers are going to be used. So I might move this around here, might move this around here. The types of paint to give a professional finish. I can just add that in here. I could add as many headers as I want, but I'm just happy with that. I'm probably not going to add that FAQ section because I just don't want it. And yeah, if I'm happy with that, I then just click write article. From here, I then get the option to select the picture. So that particular one, although that's a driveway, probably not the sort of driveway that I'm going to paint. So I'll see what else is available. No, that's a bit snowy for my liking. And no, too residential. That's more painting that. I mean, that would be a cool driveway. I wouldn't want to paint it. But we've got some bad image selection today, haven't we? Let's go for this. It's a small driveway. It's not the best image, but it's what happens when you do a demo. So in here, I'm going to look here. I've spotted that I want to improve the curb appeal. This is the bit that appears in Google. Follow this simple guide, maybe. Yeah, that's more something that isn't going to encourage someone to click on it. So once I'm done messing around with this, I then click set, and Article Fiesta will create my content. I'm just going to pause the video now, and I'll come back to you in a minute when it's got a bit more content written. So I'm just going to jump back in now and tell you roughly what's going on. So it's going off, it's filling the content for all those things, it's looking for any images that are relevant, it's looking for any videos that might make sense to put within the content, and it will also look for external links to put in here. So you've got to be careful with the external links. Obviously you don't want to link to the word driveway painting, but you might want to link to a brand of paint because that's not something that you're going to be ranking for, but ultimately shows that you've researched the article that you're writing and will look really good. And yeah, it's going to produce that. If I was posting to the blog at the time of writing this, this would also build internal links. I'm not posting to the blog at the time of writing this, so it's not going to build any internal links for me, but that's an option that could happen without questions, not really a problem. But for now, it should just build me a high quality blog post. Should highlight some keywords, should maybe use lists if they make sense in the particular bit of context that we're doing. I'm really hoping this is going to finish before we get the 40 seconds down, but I might have to pause again. Yeah, I'm just going to pause. So there we go, it's just finished. And you can now see I've got a high quality thing, loads of highlighting of driveway painting because that's obviously important to us. There's our video, there's a before and after. I mean, that's just someone's living room, but here we go, perfect. And this could be automatically posted to my blog, no question. And there's a call to action at the end. Why not give it a try? If I go here, I can post to my blog straight off, and there's the table of contents. Right, I've got this up here, but check it out and see how you